Hello, it's Angelo Pucci, and welcome to our newest listing at 26 Baker Road in South Ajax. This beautiful home features 3 bedrooms, open concept living room, dining room with a modern kitchen. But to tell us more about it, Kim is standing by. Kim, are you ready?
I am.
Let's take it away.
A spacious 4-level backsplit home nestled within the Southwood community of South Ajax. Welcome to 26 Baker Road. This brick home has a single-car garage with additional 4-car parking in the driveway, and its beautifully landscaped exterior showcases extensive stone interlocking from front to back. The front entry door and its side lights are accented with decorative glass inserts and opens into a spacious foyer with a mirrored door coat closet. Showcasing a large bow window, hardwood flooring, and the timeless finishing detail of crown moldings, the main level's living room, dining area, and kitchen have a wonderful open concept design that offers exceptional family and entertaining space. Pot and track lighting complement the natural brightness, as does the gorgeous addition of a modern chandelier in the dining area, where a painted brick facade accent wall adds a touch of vintage character. A V-shaped center island with breakfast seating divides the living spaces from the working area of the beautiful custom kitchen. Dark-colored cabinetry is accented with molded uppers, while valance lighting highlights the stone and glass tile backsplash. Dark granite counters are the finishing touch, and this stunning workspace is complete with a stainless steel double sink, fridge, over-the-range microwave, oven with gas cooktop, and dishwasher. Off these principal rooms is a glass-paneled door with a side light that opens onto a side patio, providing access to the garage and the backyard, as well as stairs with hardwood treads to both the upper and lower levels. Hardwood floors flow throughout the upper hallway and the 2 bedrooms, and just off the staircase landing is a spacious linen closet. At the end of the hall is the 2nd bedroom, which is brightened with a modern light fixture and features a huge wardrobe with both frosted and mirrored sliding doors. The main washroom has a space-saving pocket door entry and features a floating vanity with a modern basin and dual faucets, a tiled floor, as well as a bath area with a jetted tub and tiled walls with a mosaic accent design. Generously sized, the master bedroom is complemented with a large dressing area that features an oversized double closet with paneled and mirrored sliding doors, as well as organizers. And both the master and 2nd bedroom have large west-facing windows with backyard views. Well suited for family time or casual get-togethers, the lower level family room features hardwood flooring, pot lighting, and crown moldings, as well as a built-in media unit framing a gas fireplace. This space also has a sliding door walkout to the fenced-in backyard, which showcases a huge stone patio area, a natural gas fire pit, a pond feature, and a storage shed. This level also features a spacious 3rd bedroom with hardwood floors, as well as a 2-piece washroom finished with tiled floors, beadboard paneling, and built-in storage cabinets, and both the bedroom and washroom have space-saving pocket door entries. Completing the home is the finished basement level, featuring laminate floors and pot lighting, the large storage room, a laundry area with front-load washer and dryer, and a huge recreation area that is ideal as an indoor playground for young children. This home is walking distance to a public and a Catholic school, playgrounds and recreational facilities, a shopping plaza and a hospital, as well as Ajax's beautiful waterfront park, while the GO station and access to Highway 401 are just a short drive away.
We hope you've enjoyed the tour. As we said, beautiful home, great location, all the comforts of home. Feel free to give us a call to view it, 416-627-4610. Follow us on our Instagram, like us on our Facebook, and make sure you check out our website at teampucci.com. Merry Christmas to all.